People say if you drive a convertible fast enough, the rain can't touch you. Sounds fake, right? So the Mythbusters tested it. They first used a model car with a leaf blower. At 15 miles per hour, water got everywhere. But at 30 miles per hour, a layer of air started pushing the rain away from the driver's seat. Next, they tested a real convertible under simulated heavy rainfall. Inside, they placed boards to track water exposure. At 69 miles per hour, most of the rain was deflected. At 100 miles per hour, the board stayed completely dry. Turns out, the myth was actually true.